All right, now that we got our holes the width and depth that we want them, we'll put some gravel down in there. And then take our pole, post, whatever. Pack that in there and get it ready to level up and cement. I'm going to show how I was plumbing up all the posts and making sure everything's where it needs to be. I've measured out at the bottom and screwed in temporarily these horizontal pieces so that all the posts are the same distance apart I need. And then I'm temporarily screwing in a diagonal piece to hold everything plumb. So I'll show how I'm doing that. And then I'm using this plumb level to get it straight and then screwing it onto the bottom. So I've got all the posts the right distance apart. I've got them plumb. I've measured them diagonally from each other. So I've got them plumb, square, ready to go. So now I'm going to mix some concrete and pour down in the holes so it can sit up with all the braces and everything on it.